Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, can I have multiple accounts with Fidelity Investments? The short answer is yes, you can have multiple accounts with Fidelity. There are generally no restrictions on how many accounts you can open, even if they are of the same type. Many people choose to open multiple accounts for various reasons, such as separating their investments for different goals. For example, you might have a traditional brokerage account for general investing, a Roth IRA for retirement savings, and a separate account specifically for a long-term goal like a down payment on a house. This can help you stay organized and keep track of your progress toward each financial objective. It's also important to understand the different types of accounts Fidelity offers, which include traditional brokerage accounts, various retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s, custodial accounts for minors, and specialty accounts like health savings accounts, HSAs, and 529 college savings plans. Each account type has unique features and tax implications, so it's a good idea to choose the right one for your needs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.